Hello, how are you? So this video, I will teach step by step how to come up with the idea for the design. What are your niches, and how to edit. So we're going to use an AI to generate, but first we need to get an idea. So here in this is a one of example, threadless.com. So from here there's a themes. See here, there's a science, vintage, nature, space, art styles. So you can select here, or causes. So for example, you will select here art style, maybe a vintage. Okay, so it will show the here popular. So it will show the popular from threadless.com. So this one, threadless, is a bestseller also in America, sa US. So it's like Amazon, but a smaller version of Amazon, this threadless. But these are the popular. So we're going to get an idea what are the best sellers. So we can not exactly copy, but we will get an idea for the niche that we were going to do. There are whales here, solar system planets. Okay, so this one I think there's an owl, a tree, this perching owl. So I'm going to recreate a different version of this. So we'll go to the AI. So here sa bing.com/create, just log in with your Microsoft or Google account. So I generated this image using these prompts. Surprise owl in the tree branch, in silhouette, in retro sunset. There's a distress, it's a gritty, suspenseful. It's optional, but important, this is distress, retro sunset, and black background. I'm using black background because more than 50% of t-shirt sales in Amazon are using black. So this is very high sales in Amazon, or if you are targeting especially US, America. So example, you have a client in that that have a merch by Amazon account, so they want a designer, or they want to sell, or you're the owner of the store, you have a merch by Amazon. So to guarantee sales, it's better to create the designs for black t-shirt designs. So that's why I'm using black background. Every time in my past videos, you will see I'm maybe 95% in my video are always designed for black t-shirt designs. So here, the other designs, I think this one is better. This one also. It's very flat here on the sides, but we can edit. We can put texture here on the sides. Maybe I will choose this one. Okay, download. Okay, now we are going to the Photoshop. First, this is the size is the 1000 by 1000 only. So for this one, we are going to upscale this times 4. Our target is 4000 by 4000. So this one is upscale.media. This is one of the many websites that have free upscaling up to times 4. But this is I think maybe 3 or 5. This are limited daily. They have a daily limit. But we can upscale the image here. So upload. Okay, so right now this times 2 only here. So we can change to 4 times. Okay, this is 4 times now. Okay, so see the difference is better. So it's very clear. Upscaled. So we can download this one. So I'm just going to show you what I'm actually using. So this upscale is a installer. There's a version for Windows. So now here in Photoshop. So this is the merch by Amazon requirement, but it is applicable for almost all print on demand for t-shirt size. So because in other they can use a 5,000 or like that, but this is the like standardized because merch by Amazon requirement this using this pixel size. The resolution is 300. Here you can use CMYK color, but if you want this one to look presentable like with the bright colors, you can use RGB here. But the printer they will use CMYK 8 bits. CMYK 8 bits, especially using DTG, direct to garment. Because Printful is using DTG. So like that. So for this one, we are going to use RGB to make it presentable in the with the client or in their online account. So black color background. Okay. File. We will pull the image place embedded. We are going to upload the one that we upscale. Okay. So we're just going to resize. I'm holding Shift and Alt key while dragging this. I need to raise this above in the chest area. This is, imagine this is a t-shirt. This is around the chest area. We don't want the design in the tummy, the belly. So we need to make it higher. We can make it more larger like that. Okay. So this is the background. So first, we cannot edit this properly. So we need to rasterize. So right click here, then rasterize layer. So here, okay, it's rasterized now. Magic wand. We need to remove the black colors. So magic wand, this tolerance, I put 100%. Uncheck this. Is 2. So contiguous. If you will check, if I will select here, I will show you the difference. See the yellow part. If contiguous, it will only select this part only. But if you uncheck, select, it will select all the similar colors to this. Control D only. Select, deselect. Control D. Okay, so always use shortcut command Control D to deselect. If you click here, Control D, deselect. Okay. So we're going to uncheck this anti-alias. It will soften the edges, but it's like I will delete, press delete. If you choose anti-alias, it will maintain this. You see this partially call this transparent. That's the difference. I will undo. So if you want this pure, uncheck this anti-alias. So select here, Select the black colors, then delete. So it's like stepping ladder, staircase. So this is the difference. Control D, undo. So this is the result. I will undo all. So if I select this one, I think it deleted most of these blue colors also. If you want to maintain this, then we can lower this tolerance. Maybe try 50%. See, it did not include all. If I press delete, some will retain also. But if this is fine with your design, then it's good also. But for me, I think undo. Maybe I will try around 30. Select the dark colors and delete. So this is the remaining. Yes. You can 30. You can try to delete some more of this. Okay. So this is the one that we are going to send in the printer. So they will use DTF for this one. So Control A to select all, then align in the middle. So you can add text if you want, but for this one I can use this one. So right click to save, export PNG. Okay, it's saved now. So I can close this. Okay, now I place the PNG here in the markup. So this is the final result. So they will place the t-shirt and print this PNG. So this is the outcome. So it's important that we need to remove all the black background, because it will not look good if you keep the black colors here and they will print also in the black shirt. It will not good in the t-shirt. So this is similar style if you are going to create like a bootleg designs. So you always need to remove the black design, the black colors in the design. So for example, they will put in the navy shirt. So it looks pretty good. Imagine if you have black here, it will look bad. It will not blend with the t-shirt, with dark shirts. So that's the reason we're removing the blacks one. Okay. Just practice using this style. Okay. Bye-bye.